So kwi-Forex we have ama-trading sessions, okay? We have i-Asian session, i-London session, ne-New York session. Abanye-ke beke be-add ne-Sydney, mina i-Sydney ngifake all together with the-Asian session. So njengoba kuyi-Asian session, njengoba ubona la i-AUD i-currency yase-Australia, i-NZD i-currency yase-New Zealand, masikuthi i-Japanese yen, i-JPY i-currency yase-Japan. So wonke lama countries lawa afola under i-Asia. So njengoba ku-Asian session lapho khona seqala khona umnotho noma seqala khona usuku kulama countries lawa njengoba ese-Asia. Asia ke vele i-continent. Okay, so mase siba Asian session midnight 12 ilapho khona suke kulama countries lawa ilapho khona seqala khona umnotho wakhona. So u12 thina ebusuku kubona suke sebeqala usuku. So ingakho lama currencies ajwayele ukuthi abe active noma aba volatile ngalezo ikhathi lezo ngoba suke sekuqala usuku kulama countries lawo. Base siba ne-London session. I-London ke siyazi ukuthi ise-UK, ise-England. Then i-London session iqala ngo-8, it's 7 or 8. And under i-London session we have i-pound, zo-add ne-euro ngamabomini, we have i-euro. Then we have i-New York session ngo-2. So ngo-2 kuthina ngapha eSouth Africa e-New York suke ku boma 7 8 lapho khona nabo so sebeqala usuku alongside nase-Canada. So la we have US dollar, then we have i-dollar lase-Canada. They fall under i-New York session. Then these two they fall under i-London session. Then the three fall under i-Asian session.